Importing a module in idle shell. I'm trying to learn Python, and I'm having trouble importing a module. I have a Pike file that I'm trying to import into idle shell called dfa.pike. I have the file in a folder called xyz. I navigate to this folder using. So now, if I try to run the command, I get the error. If I run the command, it returns true? Can someone explain how I can get the dfa.pike file imported? Thanks.
I don't think Python modules are loaded based on what you do with str. Modules are loaded from the folder you started the Python shell and folders in Python path. If you want dynamically load modules, maybe you can check imp.loadModule sample in the bottom of the page.
You can add to the Python path in code by doing. I don't believe changing your current directory has any impact on the import process, and even if it did, I'm not sure that's how you would want to do it.
If you watched the whole video, please consider subscribing.